everyone. Today I will show you to our production line. Here is our raw material mantle plate. The raw materials are high quality mantles. All these are the mantle plates. Those are different kind of steel rods which will be used for our pallet stackers and forklift, for master and frame and etc. You see, this is the label, the laser cutting machine metal plates, and the whole line are our different kinds of laser cutting machines for cutting different thickness of metal plates. Hello, this is our cutting zone. Here is our processing room, where the cutted metals will be further processed into kinds of components. Then next, let's choose the welding zone. Here is our welding zone. We have different kinds of welding machines, and this is our robot welding machines for precise welding. And we also have other kinds of welding machines for with different welding techniques for other different thickness stackers and masters. Hello, behind me is our advanced automatic production line. Here, all the semi-finished pallet trackers, stackers, and forklifts will be blasted, polished, and painted here automatically. The final product, I'm sure you will like it. Let's come to our assemble line. You see these parts, motors are waiting for assemble. And on the assemble line, there's electrical pallet stackers, counterbalanced forklifts, and also electrical pallet trackers are waiting for assemble. This is the assembly line of our manual pallet trackers. You see workers are working on assemble the manual pallet track, like the pumps, the wheels, and etc. The assembly line backside. And this as finished manual pallet trackers